Welcome to Ukulele Hymns. My name is Lim. Today I'm going to share with you the hymn Come Thou Almighty King. It's going to be the key of C, and these are the chords you need. C chord, F chord, G chord, and D minor. Just 4 chords, so it's pretty simple. Okay, let's play through the first verse slowly. The hymn is in triple time, and so I'm using this simple down, up, up strum. Come thou almighty King, help us thy name to sing, help us to praise, Father all glorious, Lord all victorious, come and reign over us, Ancient of Days. Now grab your song sheets that can be downloaded below. Let's play through all 4 verses once through. Come thou almighty King, help us thy name to sing, help us to praise, Father all glorious, Lord all victorious, come and reign over us, Ancient of Days. Come thou incarnate Word, gird on thy mighty soul, our prayer attend, come and thy people bless, and give thy word success, Spirit of holiness, on us descend. Come, Holy Comforter, thy sacred witness bear in this glad hour. Thou who almighty art, now rule in every heart, and ne'er from us depart, Spirit of power. To the great one in 3, eternal praises be, and evermore His sovereign majesty may we in glory see, and to eternity love and adore. And that was Come Thou Almighty King. Relatively simple hymn to sing and to play along with, just 4 chords. I hope you enjoy learning it.